Welcome students, welcome to my channel Streams of Dreams. Today in computer of grade 2 we are going to do the chapter 4 input and output devices. Computer works on given data and commands. These data and commands are given to the computer through the keyboard and mouse. The keyboard and the mouse are called input devices. The computer processes the input data. The input devices passes on these instructions to the processing unit. After processing the data in CPU, the output is shown on the monitor or the printer. Oh, it's a big thing to understand. So let's quickly see the basic skills and techniques of using a computer. That is, first you have to be familiar with the keyboard, mouse and monitor. You must learn some mouse actions. Remember the keys on the keyboard. Learn how to switch the computer on and off. Also learn about the using storage devices like floppy disk, hard disk and CD. Now let's understand input processing, output storage. These are the 4 words summarized to operation of a computer. First we have to do the input, then the processing starts, then the output is being shown, and then a storage, that is you'll have to store it, save it. So let's begin with the input. The work and the instructions we feed in the computer are called input, that is working on a keyboard or with the mouse. The information about the work is called data. We use a keyboard and mouse to feed instructions and data. For example, if we have to solve 3 plus 5 plus 2, in the example, we will write 3, 5, 2 as a data. This is the instructions given to the computer that all 3 of them have to be added. Then, now coming up to output. After processing of any work or job given to a computer, its result will be shown on the monitor or on a paper through a printer. The result after processing is called output. Again, solving 3 plus 5 plus 2. If the data is 3, 5, 2, instruction is adding. So the process is done by the computer and the output begins with your monitor answer says 10. So monitor and printer are output device. Now processing. The processing function is performed by CPU, that is Central Processing Unit. This electronic device is mounted on a large board called motherboard or main board inside the casing. Like us, computers do have memory. The computer's memory is called RAM. RAM. Information on RAM is lost when you turn off the computer or the power without saving. Storage. Music or play stored in the cassettes can be played in a tape recorder. Games, instructions or programs are stored in a floppy disk, hard disk and CDs. We run or play these disks in disk drives which are just like a tape recorder. So floppy disk, hard disk and CDs are the storage media of a computer. So storage devices, see, with a CPU, a CD drive, CD, floppy disk drive, these all are the drives that are being stored in the CPU. Some other input devices, we know the keyboard and the mouse are the most popular input devices. These are attached to every computer. Through these devices, the raw data and instructions are fed input into the computer. There are some other ways you can get data into your computer. Scanner. It is used to input text and pictures into the computer. It is generally used to store photographs or paintings directly in the computer. A barcode scanner to use to read the prices of the item, which is printed in the form of bars on items. It helps in keeping record of the item sold. It is used in shopping malls and big shops. Microphone. It is used to input or feed our voice or any other sound into the computer. Joystick. In a joystick, a lever or a handle is attached to the tracking ball which rotates within a fixed base. The pointer on the screen moves in direction of movement of hand. It is used in playing games on computer. Trace ball. It is a pointing device which is used to control the movement of moving object on the screen by rolling the ball with fingers. It is used for games. Touch screen. The touch screen is a touch sensitivity screen on the monitor. We can feed a value into the computer by simply touching it on the screen. Now I'm through with my chapter. Let's do some exercises here. Answer the following questions. Write the name of two input devices. Keyboard and mouse are the two input devices. What is processing? The processing function is performed by the CPU. Write two output devices. Monitor and printer are two output devices. Now fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. The keyboard is an input device. Mouse is again an input device. CPU is the processing function of a computer. CPU is mounted on the large board called motherboard. The computer's memory is called RAM. The monitor and dash are output devices. Printer. Write true or false for the statements. Keyboard and mouse are attached to every computer. False. We have to attach them. Scanner is an output device. It's true. Barcode scanner reads prices on items. Very true. Microphone feeds the sound to computer. True. Traceball is not a pointing device. It's false. Let's complete the data process. Input, processing, output. See the following pictures and in front of it either write I, that is input, or O, that is output. So keyboard is input. Monitor is output. Scanner is output. Microphone is input. Mouse is input again. And speakers are output. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Also do comment in the comment box how do you like the video.